I want to do a quick review of my favorite toothbrush, and I've actually owned this one for now probably a year and a half to close to 2 years. Absolutely love it. It has the changeable heads, has two buttons here. One is for your traditional clean, your regular clean, and then it has down below where my finger is pointing to a teeth whitening setting as well. So you can interchange both of those based on what you're doing, which is really nice. Absolutely love it. I think mine is set for 2 minutes, which is really cool. So I can, as bad as it sounds, I can multitask while I brush my teeth and I know I'm still doing a fantastic job. Let me also show, it does come with a charger. Hopefully you can see this. The ring around it is just from water. So I leave this on my bathroom sink, plugged in obviously, and every time it's not in use, I leave it sitting on top, just plugged in. It also keeps it storage. You can store it like that as well, but this way it's always charged. I've also brought it on trips where I don't bring this. I think the longest trip I probably brought it on is about a week, so it does hold a charge for quite a long time. I've been pleasantly surprised with that. But the charging case or cable is really small anyway, side view and everything else. Can't recommend this toothbrush enough. If you're in the market, definitely check it out. I'm confident you will like it as much as I do.